Away, my people, Yawa don't gas. He don't bust, he don't scatter. Make una carry una joko take sit down, come listen to this one. Oh, I know say most of una know this man. He na Apostle Dr Kassy Chukwu, the lion fire, the old firewood. When ass no dey fit dey break akara war. No be small matter. Before I go leave una, make una watch this video. My first greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if na your first time when you take across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Not be small matter. Make una watch. Not be waiting. I go use my mouth to talk finish. Make una rigade.
Man, I'm seeing a video going around about Prophet Jeremiah. So many people are confused. What is happening? Is Apostle Kassy having issue with Prophet Jeremiah? My video, a old video in a page called Proff Ex family. Yes, on Facebook. Proff Ex family page or Proff Ex fans page. I tried to reach Proff Ex. He has not replied me. Let me tell you people, ignore any video. I am not the one. In fact, these people are idiots. I don't know if it is prophets that did it or whosoever that did it. Whosoever that is posting those old videos is an idiot. The person is a ghost. You understand? Because I don't see why you take my preaching and you put Prophet Jeremiah picture behind it. If you are the one posting that picture, go and delete it. Because if I discover say now you, anybody where they post and that person will get problem for social media. I've made myself clear before the whole world. I am at peace with Prophet Jeremiah. I'm not having any issue with him. The issue of baby testimony you put and bringing old video you put and bringing. I don't talk rich way I talk rich. You know what? Continue from there. Why are you using my picture? Why are you making it to look? You know you like confusion. Now where problem this is that I not see you. They call they post my video. My video kid there. If you ever post my video to talk to Prophet Jeremiah, it will not be well with you. What they do now? Now they crazy. You smoking, bro. You go and carry my old video. You they pay me, and you be Facebook where they pay me. Wanted go they post one is that take cause problem for social media. Like say, like who uses a prophet's fan page? Now they create now one more that page. If not try me I'll kill page. Now me if I say I'll kill your page, I'll kill her. Go they put my picture, where they do you. If to do saga they agree, you not gonna do your own video, may you post that. But you use my video to post those rubbish. I don't tell her, say, I don't remove her for baby testimony matter. Man, I know they drag me enter the matter, I know they hear what. Now, mama, go regrowth, go swear for her. I don't remove her to baby testimony matter. You just go they post my picture put for Prophet's fan page. I send you. I use I send you message. I be what make waiting Muhammad Ali do judge feeding my happen to you. No, you don't use my video do those rush again, no. Una think say easy. We they tell her say anything that is not verifiable, leave her, not be everything the person they put for head. I don't advise una, mona, rank easy, take it easy. Una say no. Una de track, kiddy. Kassy, you are not a man. Kassy, you are not this. Kassy, you are not that. Kassy, you are afraid. Kassy, you are this. And they look at they laugh. Kassy is this. Are you afraid, young man? Afraid of who? You are afraid of you. Who you be? Who you be? Why go afraid of you? Where they worry you? I say stop dragging me. Stop dragging me into baby testimony matter. Stop dragging me. I'll go regrow swear for the best way they post that video. And they tell now, I go regrow, go swear for you if you don't take your time. Okay, Professor not do videos since there. Where they saying go on break, he go on break. You don't know what to make her go on break. Professor go on break. You don't know what to make her go on break. Prophetess come out for South Africa. He goes Zimbabwe. From Zimbabwe enter another place. From another place enter another place. If Prophetess get church, you think say for the travel from South Africa, Zimbabwe, Togo, Cameroon, this place, he go live in church for 1 month. When they tell on something, little children of these days, take it easy. Not gonna do it. When you go just set now, everybody go the wrong kitty. But I never recover for where I go. But let me recover finish. I'm gonna post my video. One come bring maybe because they say me a prophet Jeremiah get problem. Ooh, we don't get problem. Ooh, show you. Oh, we don't get problem. No, they carry the matter. No, they carry it. If you look for baby testimony, you say they with Prophet Jeremiah. You don't go in church. Okay, you don't know Mercy City. Okay, take Barrow man, give you address. Take Barrow now. Anywhere where for they come, if you reach Bini, you tell them you they go Sapler Road, I-Jeep. If you reach I-Jeep for Sapler Road, you say they look for motor, they go Worry. From there is 1,005 or 1,002. They have an address that they give you now. You will find baby testimony. Then if you they go, you come and say, may they stop you for Mercy City. If you reach Mercy City there, you will call stop, you will call corner, you will call cross, go the other side. You will call enter inside there. You see they look for baby testimony. No, make such a key there. Now my video now I got a train, I got a shop. What they do now? When it go happen today now, they know they see you like girl of now go they run. Now to they make noise for social media. They found I want put for trouble. When the trouble will not come, now go amplify for social media. When the person go need help of 1,000, I not go even do. But you want to praise me right there. Okay, but now for bad thing, you gonna shout the praise, you gonna type with fake account. You know they do video with your face, but they post and say they look for baby testimony. Prophet Jeremiah get an issue, will not get any issue. Behave yourself. Can't give you trouble. It no go work. Yes, that give me problem. As social media cool reason, I don't like them. I mean, okay, I see update for Proff Ex one again. Okay, I see update for the Oh, Proff Ex is on break. He will resume. He has resumed. You understand? He has resumed. He will resume. No, go they create one page, Proff Ex fans. Go they post my picture there. Go they post my video. Go they put Prophet Jeremiah join that place. Video, old video. I've done my bit. I've done my part. I've come out and say I no get hand again for this matter. You no go rest like that. You want to drag me? You want to drag me? As I leak small oil like this, now you want to drag me again. You will not die, you and your generation, for posting that video. If you look for baby testimony, okay, I said on Facebook, don't worry. If you pass that Mercy City, you're the shout, I am looking for Prophet Jeremiah. Oh, come and give me baby testimony. Make you see I take come back. Now God go help you. Dear. Don't follow me do that, you know. Person just day, oh, now they find me trouble. Now don't call me one day say, me I send account, Mona support me. You don't call me say, Apostle Kassy, we love you. You be man where they talk through. Send your account, make we support you. How could I behave yourself? Behave yourself. Behave yourself. I been on the telephone picking. Like that to the call Facebook, call they talk. Okay, see Proff Ex, with all due respect to Proff Ex. See I'm now for some days now, you go notice say Proff Ex not there one place. Today go move from here. You know normally he get one background. One time he move come up for there, because they do him inside car. He do inside car, oh, he come out there now. As he come out for there, he can't do when he travel, enter, come out, travel, enter, come out. He can't stop. You this, you wait there. You know what the prophets they go through? You know as they get in the wrong kitty kata kata. If they dodge, because when you talk finish, you go come and call prover. If it tap up you. Hey, oh, you are new on Facebook. You just say police they listen to protest. They look you, they laugh. When police go grab you, they go ask you two questions. You go to do I thought I was like I tell you now don't hear now say Moribandi Jonah they don't carry and go court or look at your win and there for court because of social media. How much the time Mori may pay if you convert her 100,000 pounds? 100,000 pounds. If you calculate that can 90 million. Now Mori, that Mori one they clap for so this Mori. Hey Mori, Oga Mori, hey. That small girl. Now see Mori. When they tell Mori, leave Olukoya, leave Suleiman. When they present, Nana. God don't tell Mori now where Olukoya winner for a big court because where Olukoya fair winner for court, she can't carry the matter go a big court. Now Olukoya Kassy winner there now. Night court tell us make he go pay for defamation. For defamation, he get as a tell they find something. If na need assistance, Mona go meet a prophet Jeremiah and say, that deal, I beg go, help this innocent woman. If the guy you fit to talk to police, make they help and find her. Not be to call Facebook or they make noise. You see they see Jelly carry the matter like before. You know say another year word. Me the old firewood, Akara war. If I'm talking to you, listen to me. I be all take out. I see the take out. Hey God. I be all take out. They listen to me. Tension don't drop. Because not be as it be for social media and so it be for real life. So if I say calm down, you calm down. Calm down. See Maureen now, 90 million. Now she go pay. Now, all of them will be fast now. How many of them go fit get mine? Send 100,000, 200,000, 1 million. At least 90 people they send 90 million. All of them. Now no go fit, now no go agree. But now don't praise her enter problem now. Now don't praise her. One I don't praise person enter problem. Before you know, now go leave the person apart. They laugh, say, hey, yo, it's too much. Yo, it's too much. He talk too much. Yo, now Mori don't enter. See, Proff Ex is there now. They try to one side go take recover. You know, stable because you understand. You know if you understand it, they happen. So just imagine say that kind of person get church. Now, you think say if you go the chest matter like that. I be more than they behave on herself. Put my picture for that page to insult Prophet Jeremiah. What it go happen to you this year? You know they carry my name, go they put for that matter. Who they go they post that video for Enenche Proff Ex fan page? If you don't take your time, I'm not song party. But that time when I deposit and they do like saying I love me, now one put my program and this and this, that. Papa Jeremiah, please avoid those people that know what they do. They want to get your attention through me. Don't mind them. How do they beat them? So I think God will bless you, my father. Thank you very much. I don't have any issue with Prophet Jeremiah.
My people, sure, and I don't watch the video. Not be small matter, not be small wahala. This one, it choked me. He say even the time when he take go kiri, when this man of God take put out for kiri, say nobody ask about time. You know, waiting in I see. Say not be small thing. Say people want to drag and put for wahala. No be small matter. He say he with Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufeyin say they don't get problem, they don't get issue. Say issue when they get before, say they don't settle ramo. Say they don't get banamish again. Say he don't know why Proff Ex family come dey post in video when he come ask say may they provide CCTV camera concerning Ruth Mathew issue. He say he don't wash his hand comot for Ruth Mathew issue. May anybody dey drag and dey put for wahala. Say he no want wahala again. Say wetin happen to am before. He no want make the thing happen to am again. Oh, say wetin I see for there. If police people come say may you call right statement, you get to say He say not be small thing. Oh, you no want experience that thing again. He say Proff Ex say whether people don't ask this question, say why Proff Ex not dey post again as he take the post before. Say the background where Proff Ex they use, say they do video. Say later you know cause they use the background again. He come come up for there again. Come they use inside car. Say whether people don't ask. Say later from there again, he can't come out again. They can't say I want corner again. Say Proff Ex not there one place now. Whether people don't reason ask whether this guy he really dey okay. Nobody they care about that one. He say not be by come out for for social media they talk. Whether people know what they face reality or ordinary grant. Whether people know what they go on. Say people not know. Say he beg people make them know they drag and they come out, they post all this old video. Say he beg them, oh my people. As I hear this one, I was shortalized. Not be small matter, oh. No be small matter. He confess, or he say he no want that kind thing again, oh. That kind thing when they used to hold am before. He no want go back where he for come before. Say he no want do that saga again. Say he don't wash his hand, comot anything when concerning that matter. Say he no want involve himself again. My people, not be small matter. Now I want for leave now. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you all. Bye guys. Make una share this video, make una viral this video. Wonder shall never end.